Hey guys, good morning. So we're going to show you something special today because yesterday we were watching a video on YouTube. Actually played automatically and we were surprised at what happened. This YouTuber actually reached how many? 306,000 subscribers from just 67,000 subscribers overnight, literally overnight. So how is that possible? This is what he did. It's in this video that we're going to react to. Okay, so this is his video. His name is actually Jawo Motovlog. And he's a Grab driver. So this guy, this is the house of Cong TV, one of the more popular YouTubers here in the Philippines, who has a subscriber base of how much? How many? 4 million? Yes. So he's pranking this guy. So he's pretending that he's delivering something, but he just wants to prank the YouTuber, those popular YouTubers, and see what happens, so he can have some content on his vlog. Okay, so he's the guy. So he's talking about Cong TV. So he's going to prank Cong TV. Yeah, so he likes to prank popular YouTubers. And the most recently, one of his most recent pranks was involved the hungry Syrian wanderer. Okay, so he's a fan of Cong TV, and actually he started vlogging on YouTube because of Cong TV. So there, he's arrived at the house, bringing Dunkin' Donuts. So he's pretending that's been ordered. And he even asked for water. And
wala po pong water ng Dunkin' Donuts. Sir, sige po.
so he's pretending that it's been booked and approved.
Kanina hindi ko na po makontak eh. Napapunta na po ako dito eh. Pinakabaan po ako.
Yun, fake booking daw. Madalas ba yung fake booking?
Sabi niya.
Kasi hindi pa ako ma-order sa Grab eh.
Kaya yung kumusto niya, ginagawa na ako.
So they're thinking it's a fake booking. So here's the guy, already with his camera vlogging.
Confirm daw po yung ginagawa. Tapos dito yung address. Dito daw ako. Gugutom pa nga ako sa kaya pa ako kumakain.
So he's pretending he hasn't had lunch yet. Ano yung sinasabi niya na Facebook?
Fake booking.
Fake booking. He's suspicious that the Grab driver is a vlogger because he sees the camera. Mayaman na raw siya, hindi na daw siya mag-grab food. Pero nag-grab food pa rin siya. That's so nice of him, huh? He's giving him food. Even though the truth is, he's already had lunch. Bait siya, no?
May pera kasi siya.
Cong TV is one of the most popular YouTubers in the Philippines. And he's always vlogging. He's always ready with the camera.
Awa naman kayo dyan sa mga proprietor na tulad namin. So, pag-upan yung problema namin, kasi yung ginawa, binog sa amin in-order, sa amin pinatara. Wala namang problema. Sana all.
So I guess it's happened before.
Paano sa iba, na walang pagbayad, tapos naglabas pa ng pera ito na sa kaya sa mga may pera.
Galit ako sa kasi.
So parang awa niya din yung
May pera siya eh, kaya siya nagbayad. Kailangan ko yung pera.
O, paano nga yun, ah?
pero kung may bagal kang makawal ka duwa, wala tayong magawa eh.
Si positive vibes daw palagi. Pero pag may nangyaring gano'n, wala na magagawa. No? Bayaran na lang yan. No?
Laki ng bahay nito lang. Alam ko, hindi ka rin ito. Baka makita ka pa kaya ka?
He's pretending he doesn't want to be on camera when he himself has a camera. That's so nice of him. He's paying for the food even though he wasn't the one who ordered it. So he says he's going to switch off the camera and won't show it on camera. Okay, he revealed it as a prank.
Pero food rider din po ako, pero usually nagpa-prank talaga ako sa content ko lahat.
So he's a Grab food rider, and he's also a vlogger. So when he started this, when he uploaded this, he only had about 67,000 subscribers. See what will happen.
Jawo Motovlog po.
He just says he looks like boy first time.
Ang ginagawa nila, baka nila, scripted ko ito. Talaga ako kaibigan. Pero nakikaw na yung camera ko kanina. Pero inisip ko yung camera niya.
See, they notice his camera, but they think it's just a body camera. Mukha siya ni boy first time. Pag naka-helmet siya yung klase. Yes, he's promoting the channel.
Promote niya, kaya natin.
Sana mag-game mag-ilong ng mga subscribers na ano. Kasi yung ibang mga YouTuber na tapos nagawa nito, kung meron gawin yung mga ginagawa yung mag-order kayo ng mga ano tapos.
Okay, don't do that to Grab riders.
Sobrang nag-cringe ako eh. Pero ano yung ginagawa ng mga YouTubers usually?
Yung iba po, pinaprank po sila kung wala silang pagbayad. Yung iba, hindi po nila sinisipot yung customer kasi, kumbaga, prank mo lang. Ang una yung order sila, tapos pagkawanan na ko yan, sa prank lang. So, tapos yung address din po, yung address, hindi nila tinatama yung address. Kaya po yung ibang mga Grab driver na usually kami po, nanirang-tira po kami sa pagkuha ng address kasi yung iba po, mali-mali po yung address sa apps nila. Kaya, ayun po, malaking ano po sa Grab, yung pag-Facebook.
Bukod ka, hindi na
they're sending a message now to not prank Grab riders or treat them properly. They're actually frontliners because they deliver food to people who need, people who are hungry, to people who are trapped in their houses because of the lockdown.
Pero buti na lang, the greatest prankster, welcome to the club natin. Isa ka na sa mga greatest pranksters.
They're both pranksters. The greatest pranksters.
Paano talaga Robert Dorsey sa Loga? RJ. RJ.
That's his real name, Robert Jawo Motovlog. He even has a calling card.
Ay, hindi yung...
Oh, that's an ID. See? It's on the vlog now.
Kaya pala tumaas yung subscriber. Na-curious.
Oh.
So, dumami yung views mo. Yung mabot ng million.
Oh, kasi ito 4 million subscribers na si Cong TV. Nearly 5 million subscribers. And look what it's gonna say.
O may camera, may body cam kung tawagin, dashcam kung ano. Pero yun ito, salamat pa rin sa effort.
Siyempre, hindi, actually kasi, ito yung si Kong yung sa akin, nag-inspire sa akin paano mag-vlog. Kaya ngayon, nasa 60,000 subscribers.
Same funny
na ako.
Kong.
Ako.
Same funny Cong TV. See? 100,000. He said, let's take it to 100,000 subscribers. From 67,000. Do you know how many subscribers Jawo Motovlog has now? Let me check.
300.
Nakikain pa ako.
It's 307,000 subscribers as of this time. 307,000 from 67,000 just yesterday. So that's just overnight.
Actually kasi sir, kaya
That's
ako
amazing.
nagpaprank kasi madalas po sa YouTube kami yung pinaprank. So ngayon naman, ako pa lang yung unang grab ko driver na magpaprank.
And he's still counting. I think he gets 1,000 subscribers
Meron din ako
every 30 minutes.
Actually, nung nag-ano ka
So who knows how many subscribers he can get just by pranking Cong TV. So he's talking about the law of attraction.
Grab food vlogger ako, sana makolab ka namin. Post kong idol ka namin ng mga grab riders. Pangarap ka po namin makasama sa beat. Dream come true po sa amin yan. Kaya attract ko na kasi di ba laging, sabi mo, laging i-attract. So yung law of attraction nandito na.
So ito yung comment niya, dito yung comment niya.
673 nag-like.
He believes in the law of attraction.
Attraction talaga po. Sobrang idol ko to eh. Tapos ayun, ginawa ko pa ng vlog kasi
And it worked, you know?
mga grab rider.
Just overnight, he got over 200,000 subscribers.
Para po talaga sa inyo yan. Hindi, kumain ako. Hindi ako lang sa sarili. Wala akong kulang kanina.
And they're still coming, the subscribers.
Episode ka dito. Ngayon po, mga 107 na ako.
Also, sorry, I said 67. He's 107 at that
Hindi
time.
ba ako 56 na?
107,000. Not 67. 107,000.
Sabi ko, grabe na yung nakakalagaan. So ngayon, nakalab ko na si Boss. Law of attraction, totoo talaga. Kasi
The law of attraction.
alam mo yung lagi kitang sinusubaybayan, lalo na nung hindi pa kayo yung kotse na inaano mo pa sa amin na hindi mo alam kung saan ka patungo, di ba, nung last time, kasi ano nyo yun.
That's how we started.
Yung nakaka-inspire lang na talaga na nung walang-wala kayo, ngayon talaga, kaya ma-insure na.
Thank you, brother. Salamat. Gusto ko naman ito.
Abo, please po. Pinapropanak ko na YouTuber, sila Red Sweet Potato, si Bastian the Syrian Wonder, sila Jonah Rest Jacob. Ayun, wala na. Greatest prankster.
All that just from pranking popular YouTubers here in the Philippines. So if you don't believe in the law of attraction, here's a good example of what can happen just by thinking positively and moving towards your goal. this is the best example that I can show you right now. The law of attraction. It works. Do you believe in the law of attraction?
Meron din itong vlog.
I guess.
Ano ba?
Alright, she also has a vlog.
Love you, mahal.
Meron kaming donut. Thank you so much. Ayaw niya makikain ng binigay niya.
There you go. So guys, so that's really amazing. It was something totally unexpected because this episode actually just played automatically yesterday, and we watched it, and yeah, we were entertained. And then I checked out his channel and I saw how many subscribers he had. And then a few hours later, I checked it again, and boom, there you go, almost 200,000. And today, in excess of 300,000 subscribers. That's just overnight. That's pretty amazing. So, if you're thinking that you're not going to be able to reach that kind of number of subscribers, of a subscriber base that big, think again. It can happen. So, think positive. So, I'm gonna end this vlog now, and I hope you learned something from this episode of ours. And see you next time. Stay positive.